Good morning, hustlers. Where are my hustlers at? 4 a.m. gang, baby. Let's get after the day. Let's get after it. Everybody wakes up at 4 a.m. one time. Holy cow. Good morning, ladies and gents. It is 5:30. Maybe asking yourself, why on earth are you up this early, Kevin? Well, the answer is simple. I'm a hustler. No. Need to wash my car. Did I wake up at 4 a.m. to wash my car? No. I had to drop off Carson at the airport. And now I'm here. So that's cool. Early start to the day, never hurt anybody. This thing shot a fireball at me. We did a little spirited drive this beautiful Friday morning. Oh my goodness, I just realized 1, 2, 3, 4 windshield banners. My goodness gracious, how fun. Would you just look at that? The thumbnail might be scary, and I assure you it's not something I wanted to deal with today or the last week. However, and this will make sense when I get out and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, something that needs to be done. What the is this Geek Squad truck doing? Holy shit. Jesus, Murphy. That was stupid and dumb at the same time. We're staying busy. We are 3 weeks out from the rally. We are going to New York. We are going to Atlantic City. Some really cool destinations and stops on this rally, so I'm super pumped for that. We're going in the B9 S5. I'll get you guys an update on that as soon as we're in the shop. I had a couple people commenting asking what the status is as far as repairs and whatnot. We're hoping to have everything kind of tightened up and ready for the rally. We don't want any parts falling off as we are cruising. Underinflated, please check all 4 tires. Well, I guess that's a perfect segue into our actual topic of the video today, which is going to be replacing the tires on this car. I really hope that's the only warning I get and I don't feel anything out of ordinary on my way into work today. I ordered new tires from Discount Tire last week and they're already here. I actually have an appointment at 4:30 today to get them on. So like I mentioned, I'll get out of the car, show you guys exactly why we need new tires, and that was just ridiculous timing as far as the underinflation. PMS warning, yeah, that's fun. If you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff, want to see more updates with the S5, make sure to subscribe. Still a ton of stuff coming, a lot of fun things coming in the fall season, which you don't want to miss, including, like I already mentioned, the fall rally. If you guys want to help out that algorithm, hit like. But without further ado, let's head to the shop, show you guys what I'm talking about. Got the Model X next to the Z06 lined up, a little McDonald's spec in the shop. We have so many fun colors in today, and our parking lot looks like a used car dealership. But ladies and gents, want to direct your attention to the tires on this bad boy, the front especially. I want to actually get down and show you guys what I meant. So the tread, you can see on the right side, is pretty uneven. It's looking like a drifty boy, and that may not look like it, but it's not good because the front camber is a little out of whack. When I got my alignment, we were only able to do the rears, so that is only one half of the issue. The other half of the issue is this fun little thing called dry rot, and that happens when your car is exposed to dry and hot and cold and soggy, and it really just comes with climate. But dry rot looks like that, and that's not good on your tires. It can lead to blowout and other stuff you don't want. So the fix is getting new tires. Fortunately, I was able to get those ordered pretty quickly. Unfortunately, it is pretty big expense. 4:30 today, I have my appointment to get those on. Things will be better. And then I'm also getting an alignment and full inspection done on this car at the Audi dealership because they were running a crazy deal in the mail. I almost never check my physical mail I get, except I had to. When I saw the deal they were running, it was $200 off any maintenance or service, which was, I thought, crazy. So I called and I was like, hey, is this good for alignments? And they were like, yeah. So that was pretty dope. Basically, you got a free multi-point inspection and $200 off an alignment. So it's only going to be like $100 for everything. Unfortunately, that's not till October 14th, which is all the way after the rally. But it's not like I'm taking my car in the rally. I would want to do that all before if that were the case. I don't know why the TPMS came on the way here, but that's gonna be fixed today. Day's wrapped up. We're on the way to Discount Tire. Last appointment of the day was 4:30, so I snagged it. I said, you know what? Let's just take care of it. I'll show you guys the new tires I got. They're pretty darn cool and seem to have a lot of good reviews. So I'll show you guys when we get them on.
A few moments later.
Good news and bad news. Let's start with the bad news. I can't put on my tires because I have wheel spacers. I didn't know that was a thing, and I honestly didn't think it would be a thing because they're not actually changing the bolt pattern or screwing into anything that's not attached to the wheel hub itself. Silly rule in my opinion. So tomorrow morning we're gonna have to take all my wheels off my car and go to Discount Tire and get them put on, the new tires themselves, because they can put the tires on the wheels, but they can't put the tires on the wheels and the wheels on the car, apparently. So that's where we're at. Oh, geez, this is fun. Good news is new iPhone 14 Pro Max is here. So I'll do a little unboxing for you. All right, what do you say we unbox this thing, huh? Wow, big purple iPhone guy now. That camera, oh, look at these lenses. Just immaculate. Can't wait to record some sick videos with this, some cinematic shots, some slow-mo, some low light video. It's gonna be crazy, can't wait. Well, that's fun. I guess that's a good thing to happen to me today. I guess good news is for you guys, the rest of the vlog will be continued in super great quality. Recording on the new phone. It's Red Bull time. And it's also time to get the car jacked up and in the shop. Dude, this wide angle camera is so much clearer. I guess it's really good in low light too. So that's pretty sweet. I guess we'll take a quick look. Oh my goodness, that is noticeably better. The video production quality is going to the moon, ladies and gents. So now that the tire's off the car, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. This shouldn't be like that. That is what I like to call unsafe. I'm gonna roll them into the bed of Rory's truck, which he has so graciously offered, and get things done. Woohoo! Very cool. All right, after much chaos with the wheels and tire situation, they're finally on the wheels. Now the only step left, put the wheels on the car. Good news is that's the easy part. So we'll get back to the shop, bolt everything in, make sure we're torqued properly, and then tomorrow when I come back, probably torque them again down to spec. That's what we need to do. Kind of scouting out what a new set of wheels would be for this car. I'm kind of leaning towards Rohana. We have a buddy Leon who had Rohanas on his R8s. On the RFX 11s, Carson had Rohana RFX 7s, I believe, on his C63. Don't want to spoil anything, give anything away. Nothing has been ordered yet, so we're not like doing this tomorrow. If I got new wheels, it would be sometime probably near springtime. We're on the way back to the shop. Don't want to be distracted driving. I'll catch you guys when we get there. Wheels and tires are on the car. Just gotta drop this boy down. It's a little more aggressive. I'm liking the styling. Big sigh of relief as the car is now on the ground. And that fitment is looking mwah, chef's piss. Just magnificent here. The rear's flush with those tires looking oh so nice. This guy right here is the star of the show. I couldn't have done this without him. Providing the ride to go drop off the wheels and the mastermind behind all the tools required to do this job. Woo! So this is important for those of you that have never done this. Menu brings this up. We want to scroll to car systems, which is this little guy. Servicing and checks. TPMS, store tire pressures. Yes, store now. All right, so the current tire pressures have been stored. That's what we want since we just got new ones put on. Now we're set. So the TPMS isn't gonna go wonky on us. More S5 mods coming soon. I got a text today confirming the next mod. I'm not gonna tell you what it is though. I think I've told you in the past, but I'm gonna leave that as a teaser. Hopefully that comes soon. Rally's gonna be here in the near future as well. If you guys wanna make sure you don't miss that, hit subscribe, stay updated, click the bell. Till next time, ladies and gents, thank you very much for watching. We'll see ya.